Goeiemôre graad 12's. Welkom in my Afrikaanse klas. Ons gaan vandag praat oor iets wat vir julle baie belangrik is. Julle toekoms. Wat wil jy graag eendag word? So in hierdie les gaan ons kyk na 'n paar moontlikhede. Die belangrikste ding is dat jy sal bereid wees om navorsing te doen, om to do some research about what you would like to do. Nou die eerste ding waarna ons vinnig oor gaan praat is watter beroep sou jy kan kies. Nou die moontlikhede is eindeloos. There are so many possibilities. I think if you can find something where your passion, jou passie, jou persoonlikheid en jou aanleg kan bymekaar kom. If you can find that little sweet spot, then you will definitely be one of the lucky people that go to work every day and it won't feel like work. So, ons gaan nie vandag spesifiek praat oor beroepe nie. Ons gaan meer kyk na hoe kan jy soek na inligting wat jy gaan nodig hê. Ons fokus op universiteite en ons gaan ook kyk na moontlikhede van beurse. Maar ek wil net vir julle sê, om universiteit toe te gaan is nie die enigste manier om by jou beroep, by 'n sinvolle lewe uit te kom nie. Ek het in my lewe as my opleiding as 'n chef, het ek te doen gehad met 'n baie spesifieke man wat my baie beïndruk het. Hy wou graag 'n dokter geword het. En natuurlik was sy punte nie goed genoeg nie. En hy moes toe afsien van die droom. He had to let go of the dream to become a doctor. And his second thing was he wanted to become a chef. And his pathway of getting to the place where he ended up, when I met him, he was working on his master's degree in hospitality, tourism, that sector. And he, some people get onto the highway and they go straight to the place where they want to go. They know what they want to do, they do it, they get there, shortest amount of time, few hassles and hiccups. Other people are different. They go the byway and then they make a turn here and they stop there, but eventually they also get to the place. So don't beat yourself up if you are not one of the people that are getting on the highway. As long as you have an idea of where you want to end up. Because if you don't, then it could become problematic. Right. Possibilities are endless. And you've heard this so many times. Julle het dit al soveel keer gehoor. Toe ek moes kies, wat wil ek word? Ek het altyd geweet ek wil 'n onderwyseres wees. I knew that from this high. Other people don't know, and they have to find their way. But the possibilities are endless. As I said, if you can find something where your passion, your interest, and your aanleg, what you are good at, if that can meet, then that is the best that you want. Okay, so it was quite a challenge to find websites in Afrikaans where you can look for jobs. So here are 2 of them, and I want to encourage you to go and have a look and see. Obviously, many of you, probably most of you, are not going to look for a job in Afrikaans, but if you just, for the sake of exposing yourself on what is available in Afrikaans, please go and visit these 2 websites, and you can, with your skill, I'm a digital immigrant with your skill, you can maybe find so many more. As we said, in South Africa, there are quite a number of institutions where you can find a place, where you can find a place to study, whether it's a diploma or a certificate or a degree or anything like that. There are probably even more that I don't know about. So please have a look. The one thing that I want to tell you is you need to be able to put in the research. Nobody is going to do that for you. And then, of course, I looked at a few possibilities of bursaries. I know it's not very, there's not a lot of them, but you will not know if you don't try. Jy sal nie weet of jy suksesvol is as jy nie gaan probeer nie. So hier is 'n paar plekke wat ek baie vinnig gekry het, wat mense help om te studeer. Natuurlik is daar dan 'n teenprestasie wat jy moet lewer. Jy moet vir 'n aantal jare vir hulle werk, of wat ook al die geval mag wees. Weereens, doen jou navorsing. En dit is al wat ek vir jou op hierdie punt wil sê. Tot 'n volgende keer.